This is a rocket, a powerful vehicle that launches into space, carrying astronauts or satellites high above Earth. This is an astronaut, a person trained to travel into space, explore planets, and work outside Earth's atmosphere. This is a satellite, a machine that orbits planets or Earth, sending signals, pictures, or information back home. This is a planet, a large round object that moves around a star, like Earth moving around the sun. This is the sun, a big, bright star at the center of our solar system, giving us heat and light. This is the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. It shines at night by reflecting light from the sun. This is a spacesuit, a special suit astronauts wear in space to breathe, stay safe, and move around easily. This is a space shuttle, a spacecraft that carries astronauts and supplies to space and returns safely to Earth. This is a space station, a large structure orbiting Earth where astronauts live, work, and study space for months. This is the Earth, the third planet from the Sun and the only known place where people and animals live. This is a galaxy, a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, and dust, like our Milky Way galaxy. This is the solar system. The Sun, 8 planets, moons, asteroids, and comets all orbiting together in space. This is Mars, known as the red planet. It may have water and could possibly support life someday. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system with giant storms and more than 70 moons. This is Saturn, a giant planet with bright, beautiful rings made of ice, rocks, and countless tiny particles. This is Venus, a hot, cloudy planet called Earth's twin because it's nearly the same size and shape. This is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest one to the Sun. This is Uranus, a cold blue-green planet that spins sideways and has faint rings around it. This is Neptune, a windy, dark blue planet farthest from the Sun with very strong storms. This is Pluto, a small dwarf planet made of ice and rock, once called the 9th planet. This is a star, a giant ball of hot gas in space that shines brightly like the sun. This is a black hole, a place in space with gravity so strong, nothing can escape, not even light. This is a comet, A small icy object that travels around the sun and grows a glowing tail. This is a meteorite. A rock from space that falls through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the ground. This is a Mars rover. A special robot sent to Mars to drive, explore, and take pictures of rocks. This is a white dwarf. A small, very hot star left over after a bigger star has burned out. This is a telescope. A tool that makes faraway objects like stars, planets, and galaxies look much closer. This is a constellation. A group of stars that form shapes or patterns like animals, people, or objects. This is a spacewalk. When an astronaut leaves the spacecraft and works outside in open space with a suit. This is a launch pad. A platform on Earth where rockets stand before blasting off into outer space. This is an orbit. The path one object takes as it goes around another, like Earth around the sun. This is the universe. Everything that exists, stars, planets, galaxies, space, and time all together as one. This is a meteor shower. A night sky event where many shooting stars appear, caused by burning space rocks. This is a solar eclipse. When the moon blocks the sun, making the sky dark during daytime for minutes. This is a lunar eclipse. When Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon, making the moon look red.